sun through my window makes me smile as I start to sway. Hear the buses and morning birds mixing up in sweet display. Every footstep on sidewalks below feels like music that's made for me. And I'm dancing while making tea, like the world is my harmony. I love everything I see. I love so wild and free. When did life become so bright? Every moment feels just right. Beautiful mornings, beautiful mornings, beautiful life, beautiful life. Every sound makes me realize that this moment's paradise. Beautiful noise, beautiful noise, beautiful life, beautiful life. Living each day with open eyes, finding magic in sunrise. Paper planes in the street cafe, radio songs float through the air. Strangers pass with a gentle wave, little moments beyond compare. In the space between here and there, every second brings something new. And the rhythm of me and you paints the sky in a brighter hue. Sometimes I stop and close my eyes, let the symphony fill me up inside, and love to the time. Every breath, every sound, every sign. Beautiful noise, beautiful noise, beautiful life, beautiful life. Every sound makes me realize that this moment's paradise. Beautiful noise, beautiful noise, beautiful life, beautiful life. Living each day with open eyes, finding magic in sunrise.